So the question is, what is love? For this particular, you might call it mini-series, so we're going to talk about aspects of love. And of course, whatever we're talking about cannot be defined. It cannot actually be explained. What I say can only point to what you really know deeply within yourself anyway. So love itself is always deals with relationship. So it's always in relationship to another, always in relationship to an aspect of creation. So it's a primal force, and it is the reason why all of this was created, why we're here, why we are living the life that we're living, is learning about love in the third dimension. And so there have been aspects in creation where there's a development, much as there would be a development from an amoeba to a little fish, to a lizard, to a bird. And one is built upon the other. So the third dimension, as you already know, is a very, very engaging place. It never stops being engaging. It will always be this way, but there are aspects of love that have developed over the period of the Earth's history. So we tend to think of love as romantic. 12th century, knights, ladies in waiting, the whole romantic issue that came up. So often love affairs appear to be of a romantic nature, but that's one aspect of love. So in this, I'm going to suggest to you that there is the basic human love. There's another aspect called compassion, which is not natively human. And then at the tail end of it, there is the conjunction known as the Christ consciousness. And that's where love is put into action. So over the next 3 little episodes here, or 4-minute ponderings, we're going to engage in looking at aspects of love and how they relate to us here. And this is not all about it. It's not completely conclusive. It merely gives you points to ponder, points to go more deeply about it, into your center. So you'll notice when I'm talking, I have no notes, I have no anything. My brain is as empty as a refrigerator after the boys have been at it. And that's where I come from. So fundamentally, my intention is to allow you to enter into a space of feeling which is not part of your daily life. And that's where we're going to go from here.